Welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we're going to be busting a few myths about boilers. Number one, boilers are inefficient and are very expensive to run. Whilst this is true for old G-rated boilers, a new A-rated boiler is very efficient and also can be rather cheap to run. In fact, upgrading to a new A-rated boiler can save up to £840 a year. Number two, boilers are difficult to maintain. Yet again, whilst this is true for old boilers, nowadays we do recommend to get an expert out to professionally maintain and service your boiler. Regular maintenance of your boiler can increase the lifespan and save you having to replace it further down the line. Number three, boilers are noisy. Whilst old boilers, yet again, are known to be rather loud, new boilers are modern and they are quite silent. Number four, boilers are unsafe. This is very true. Boilers can be unsafe unless properly maintained, which is why we recommend to get a service. Also, boilers are now a lot more ahead of the time, a lot more modernized, where they have certain safety features built in. Number five is something we hear a lot from our customers, and they believe that boiler installs are difficult to do. However, our engineers turn up and make things look so simple and easy. Go to iHeat.co.uk to get a simple next day quote for a new installation of a boiler. We'll make it look ridiculously easy. Finally, number six is that boilers are expensive. Whilst the upfront cost of a new boiler is quite high, in the long term, the money you will save over time from buying a new boiler can actually pay for itself. As we said at the start, £840 a year is what you could be saving if you upgraded to a new A-rated boiler. This over 3-4 years, that'll pay for itself. At the moment, boilers are generally more efficient than any other source of heat in the home. Electric heaters will cost a lot of money. Make the upgrade now, save a lot of money, and that is all from us. This has been 6 myths that we have busted here at iHeat. Thank you very much for watching.